Good morning. We're going to call the parole board back to order. Time is 9:58. My name is Pete Freeman. I am the acting chair today. To my right is Mr. Barra. To my left is Ms. Ledoux. We are now at David Wade Correctional to hear the case of Jacob Griffith for parole. We'll put some stuff in the record, Mr. Griffith. You are a first felony offender. You do not have a good time date. You have a full term date of 8/14/27. Your total sentence was 23 years. Your charge was forcible rape. Does that sound correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would you please state your name and DOC number for the record?
Jacob Griffith, DOC 503310.
Okay. Would the staff at the prison please introduce yourself?
Deputy Warden Brenda Ackland.
Thank you, Trippiano, ARDC manager.
Danny Henshaw, classification.
Elizabeth Savage, Lieutenant Colonel.
Okay, thank y'all for hosting us today. We appreciate it. Okay, sir, would you tell us your name? Not tell us why you're in prison and why do you think we should consider letting you out today?
I'm in prison on a forcible rape charge I committed in 2004. The reason why I believe I should be granted parole is when I came to prison, I was a child and I made some bad mistakes. And through these 21 years that I've been locked up, I've gone through my classes, I've gone through my risk management, and I've been taught, how to not put myself in a predicament or in a high risk area. And that's pretty much it.
Okay. All right. Today we have speaking on your behalf, Ms. Griffith Santos or Santos Griffith. Ms. Griffith.
My name is Santos Griffith, and my son is Jacob Griffith. And I just want to say that I'm losing two of my best friends. My husband is in the hospital right now, and I need Jacob home where he can help me. He's been gone so long. And I just can't do it by myself. We're both 76 years old. And right now, my husband's fighting for his life upstairs. I'm at the hospital right now, and I had to postpone to come to this meeting, leave him by himself. I know my son's, what he did when he was younger. I know he made mistakes. There's been some times that it's hard for it to go on knowing that your son's in jail and your husband's bedridden in the hospital and not expected to live much longer. I need him to at least be able to say goodbye to his dad and to come help me with him with whatever time the Lord provides.
Thank you, ma'am. I know you're going through some difficult times.
Thank you.
Okay. Next we'll hear from Rachel Gross in opposition. Mother, go ahead, Ms. Gross.
Hello. I'm here to speak on Cain's behalf, but I forgive Jacob, and I request that you grant him parole.
That is very big of you. Thank you, ma'am. We appreciate it. All right. I was assigned the case, Jacob. What did you go through sex offender treatment?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All 4 phases.
And did you do the instructor part also, or you just did the first 3 phases? Did you get
First
class?
4 phases.
Okay. And what did you get out of that?
It taught me about like the Rocco scale, where am I at? If I'm a level 1 or 2, I'm in a safe place. If I'm 3 or 4 or 5, I'm in an area where I need to be cautious, and anything above that I need to get, for lack of a better word. It taught me about learning myself and learning what my risk factors are, what my triggers are, things of that nature.
I see you had 46 write-ups. When was your last write-up?
I don't know.
July the 9th of 21.
July the 9th of 2021.
It's a low court, 24.
A low court.
All right. And Warden, did y'all have anything y'all would like to say about Mr. Griffith?
Yes, Mr. Griffin's been here at Wade since March the 19th of 18. Like we just said, his last write-up was July the 9th of 21. He has a good overall work performance and a low Tiger score. And since he's been here at Wade, he really has not been any problem at all.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I have no further questions. Is any of my panel ready to vote? Okay, okay, I'll vote first since I had your case. I'm gonna tell you, better thank your victim, in this case. Her lack of opposition is, makes a big difference in our decision. And, you've been in there, you have been in 21 out of 23 years, which is a lot. And I do think you need supervision when you get out. And I like for sex offenders to be on supervision for a while. Warden, is he taking his pre-release programming?
Reentry, yes. He took it back in March to May of 23.
Okay, because we didn't have pre-release on our form. That's why we
Yeah,
worked.
he has also put in an interstate compact if made parole to Atlanta, Texas, to your aunt out there.
No, my land.
It's his family land out there.
Okay,
in
and
Atlanta.
has it been accepted?
Not yet.
Okay, so you got a place to stay in Louisiana till that's
Oh, no,
accepted,
sir. Not
sir?
in Louisiana, not in Louisiana, no, sir.
Okay, well, we have to wait till we get the compact
But we
back.
could, yeah, we could, if he granted parole, I mean, the classification can work and find him a place to live
Okay, well, I'm
until that
granting
comes
that.
through.
Yes, ma'am. Well, my vote is to grant upon approval for an approved residence plan, follow all sex offender contract. Mr. Barra?
I'm gonna go ahead and vote with Mr. Freeman to grant parole, but put a special condition, not be around any juveniles, period.
Sir,
Ms. Ledoux?
I'm gonna vote to grant. I do want to point out that you are a tier 3 sex offender, which means lifetime registration.
yes, ma'am.
I read that you are receiving some psychiatric treatment and on medication, and that must
Yes, ma'am.
continue on your release. My vote is to
Yeah, that just must continue when once released.
Yes, ma'am.
My vote will be to grant, because you need to be supervised prior to full-time, release. I believe you need some supervision. And so, until he has a residence plan, he needs to be where he is. Okay, great. Okay, thank you.
Okay, today we have voted to grant upon that approved residence plan. And good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.